Welcome back to another episode of Know Before You Buy. Today I'm going to do a simple, quick unboxing of a Dreame L40X robot vacuum. This vacuum is one that has a self-emptying dock and a mopping station that cleans itself after it's finished doing the floor every time. Let's make this a short and quick one, so let's get working. I'm just going to take the tape off of this. And we'll see what we've got inside this giant box. The box is about 1 foot square by 2 feet tall. So we're in for a lot of stuff inside this box. I will not show the operation of this today. I'm just going to go through the unboxing. I'll learn how to use the device and then we'll do a review of it later. All right, we have, of course, a box within a box. And it looks like right on top is the self-empty station. I'm going to try and get this inner box out to see what we might have in here in a moment. I think that will make it easier to pull the plastic bag off. Okay, here we have 2 bins. To see if I can figure out what these bins are. This one does look like it has water on it. So I'm assuming this is part of the self-empty station, and this may be the clean water tank. Since there is only one I'm looking to see if there's a floater on this, and there is not. This could be the clean or the dirty water tank. I'm not sure. Let's check this other one here. Looks identical. It's on the other side. And this one does not have a floater on it. The floater on the other one was near the top. I bet that one was the dirty water tank and this one is the clean water tank. It'll be tough to figure that out though, but we will work on that somewhat later. All right, let's look at this box we pulled out first to see what else we can get from the very top of the unit. Then I'll try and pick up the unit itself. All right, this looks like part of the base station, like the running plate. Oh, look, lovely printed manuals, lots of them. Power cord. Oh, very heavy duty looking brush that has, if I could describe this brush to you, it has a solid bar on one side. Opposite that, it has a rippled bar and then 2 brushes. And it has a little flatter kind of screw protrusion on one end and the other end is square. So that would be how it turns. Okay. Power cord, let's put that in my lap. Manuals, aren't they always fun? Ooh. A manual handheld brush. This must be to clean the unit itself. Oh, look, and it is to clean the unit because here is a little blade for you to clean off the hair that might get stuck on this. I have a lot of dogs in my house, so I'm going to probably get a lot of hair. Leave this in the box for now. Anything else of interest in this box? Oh yes, here we have the mopping pads. There are 2 mopping pads on this unit. One of them is this is a terry cloth mopping pad. Oh, there they are. There's 2 of them together. I know that the unit comes with 2, which is why I was looking for 2. And then I think this is the bag for the Auto empty bin. Okay, so we've got a bag. We've got mopping circles. Put these aside for now. And nothing else of real interest in this box. So I'll just put that aside again. Here's our floor plate. Great. Here's another box within a box. So far we have 2 boxes within a box. And here we have the robot. It is a very large robot. It is one of the bigger diameter ones that I've seen. It comes in a plastic bag, of course, right? Because everybody needs more plastic bags and more cardboard boxes. Peeling off the plastic bag. And across the top, there is more protective scratch plastic. And it has some rubber buttons that I had to use my nail to feel the button separations. But they are tactile. There's 1, 2, 3. And just use my nail. There's the divider. There's the divider. So we've got 3 buttons. And there is a back flap. And underneath that is where the dustbin is. The dustbin is a rectangle with a triangle taken out of it. And I'm going to see if it's easy to figure out how to open it. Not so easy. Not so. There we go. Take the top off of that. There is a nice filter in there for HEPA filter. And looks like if I need to empty it out manually, it's fairly straightforward. Just take that filter out, close the lid. There we go. That fit very nicely. And put it back in, and that part of the robot's ready to go. Now there is a pull tag here that I bet. Oh, no, it is not. I thought it was going to be a battery cover, but it is not a battery cover. It is just a little bit of foam protecting the bumper. The side brush is a 3 pronged side brush. It's got a little multi-directional wheel, one of those pivot ones. The brush that's in this robot right now is different than that other one that I had pulled out, which is interesting. Here's another one of those pull tags to protect the bumper. We're taking that off. And it looks like it's probably ready to go. I'm gonna just take one of the stickers off of the sensors so that it can actually see its way around. Oh, was I supposed to push that in? Uh-oh, did I break it? There is a nice rubber flap right here, and I'm betting that is going to be right there, everybody. This looks like it probably is going to cover the channel where the dust gets sucked out of the unit. There's a couple little holes along the back that look like they're water channels. Another sticker over the camera on the front. This thing uses LiDAR and it has cameras for obstacle detection. According to my favorite YouTube channel for vacuum reviews, this thing has the best obstacle avoidance that was available at the time it was released. He rated it very highly for optical avoidance, and I have a lot of obstacles, so let's hope it stands up to that rating. All right, I'm going to just put the robot on the floor here. And I'm making a royal mess of this, I know. I'm going to now try and take this huge, and when I say huge, this is the full 2 feet tall of the box, bin. This is the base station for the unit. I'm showing the camera the back of it right now. There's a nice little power cord wrapped around it. Looks like there's a power switch that my finger naturally found, which is nice. Flip this around so everyone can see it a little better. All right. So we have another floor plate. I'll just put that down for a moment. I believe this square rubberized, there's 2 square rubberized holes. I think those are going to be what suck the water in and out and the dirt in and out. Some little pegs that will go on those pegs that we looked at. Here's another sticker. I still can't see where that vacuum cleaner bag is going to go. So let's see if I can find that before we call this video over. Lifting this up and not seeing where that vacuum cleaner bag will go. It's got to go somewhere. Aha! There we go. There is a cover plate right below the tanks. And there's already a vacuum cleaner bag in there, already attached quite nicely. And bags come in and out easily. And there's a channel in there. I don't know what that's going to be for, but maybe I'll find out. Putting it back, there we go. You have to tip in the top to put it back. So I'll be back in a couple of days and tell you how this thing works and review its accessibility for you. It was quite easy to explore and learn it, so hopefully we'll figure out that it works nicely and is accessible. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.